Welcome back to another video. Before we get into it, I wanted to, first of all, thank you guys for all the love and support on the last video. That video broke 8,000 views. That's like insane to me. It may not seem crazy, but 8,000 views, that's a lot. The video before that barely broke 1,000, and this one broke over 8,000. So thank you guys a lot for all the love and support on that last video. Second, I want to talk about this channel moving forward. Starting 2026, I want to post one video a month. I have a full-time job that I'm committed to, and fishing is more of a passion than it is something I want to turn into a career. It's something I do for fun. Content creation is a passion as well. And so moving forward, I would post one video a month, and it's kind of gonna be like what my last video was. My last video is more of a compilation of all the different interactions and catches I had over the month of December and a little bit of November. That's pretty much what it's gonna be moving forward. The first few clips in this video are actually from a really long time ago, like, I believe they're from either September or October. So a really long time ago. But yeah, thank you guys so much on the love and support on the last video. Let's get into the next one. Good morning, guys. Today, we are out here bright and early. Bright and early. This place is known for holding some pretty big fish. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get to fishing.
What the? What? I was literally picking up the phone to text Kyle. What? Bro. What? No. This place is crazy. This place is crazy. I knew we'd pick one up here. He's not even hooked all the way. No way.
That was kind of crazy. Don't freak out on me, please. Dude, that is a healthy fish. All right. I don't think you guys can see that. 2.4 pounds, man. That's not too bad of a fish on the new glide weight setup. Let's let him go. I still can't believe he came up and ate that like that. This guy's aggressive. Go on. Attaboy. Oh my goodness, dude. I still can't believe that. And I got it on camera. I'm dead, dude.
Man, Luke was going alligator hunting after work the other day.
Who?
Luke.
Alligator hunting? Yo!
I told him to come fishing. Oh. I got bit. Oh my
Yo! Oh!
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Oh my
Kyle! Dude! Oh my god!
Let's
Kyle!
go.
What? Hold your fish, bro. That's what I'm talking about.
This thing's huge.
That's what I'm talking about.
This thing's huge, bro.
Oh!
Freaking
Oh
huge,
my god!
That's a 6, bro.
5.96.
Bro.
My boy!
Let's go.
Let's go, dude! Oh my, dude, hold your fish, bro. Hold your fish.
There you go. There she goes.
Oh my god. 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 No. He's stuck on the branch. No. Oh my god, he came off. Oh my god, he's barely hooked. Get in the boat. Oh my god. Oh my god. 4.8. Dude, let's go. Oh, I really thought he was 5. Oh man. Still. What a beautiful fish, dude. Look at this fish, y'all. Look at this fish. Oh, let's go, dude. 4.8, almost 5 pounds. I didn't get the release on camera like for the video, but Let's go. Not as big as Kyle's. It's about a pound less than Kyle's. But, oh my goodness, guys. Ah, if only he was 5, bro. Ah! Still a great fish. That's awesome, guys. What? I've never done that in my whole life.
Was able to get the bait back. We don't leave stuff like this in the water, guys. Try to keep Florida the way it is, not mess it up. But yeah, let's go ahead and keep fishing.
Oh my God! I'm hit. Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! He did. Oh, nice. He's a small guy. He's small. He is.
Nice.
He's a little guy.
All right, guys. First fish of 2026. Nice little snook. I'm not gonna measure him. He's probably like 26, 27 inches. But man, are they cannibals out here. They love that snook color bait, boy. But yeah, guys, beautiful fish. Slammed that Henry Barber. I mean, I got both hooks in them. Fire. First fish 2026, guys. Whee! He's a little guy, but man, he wanted that snook so bad. Could have been your little brother, bro. You gonna eat him? You crazy. Go. Go. There he goes.
Let's go. Keep him on. Left, it's really shallow. Keep him on. Try to get him in the kayak.
What, bro? It's literally stuck in there. Yes, sir. Got him a little snooky. Yes, sir. Look at that little guy. He slammed the metro. All right, now.
Oh, there you go. He's clear now.
You want to do a vertical for your TikTok or something?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, not recording.
Caught it on the metro.
Nice. Custom by Boogies Baits, bro. What are you doing?
Oh my God. It got struck. I promise I won't be high. Then I drag on by. Oh my God, there's a snook on it. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh my God. Dude. Please come back. Oh my God. Holy. Oh my Jesus. Oh my God. Dude, that's a big bass. Killed that thing. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. He wanted that thing dead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for cursing. That just was insane. That was crazy. He's a decent fish too. Oh, hook's making me sketched out, bro. Oh, jeez Louise, dude. Oh my gosh, he killed that thing. Like, insane. Like, no hesitation. He, boom. That was a crazy eat, dude. Decent bass. Like, I haven't weighed him yet. Look at that. Baby boss to the mouth, boy. Baby boss to the mouth, boy. Ate that. Yes, sir. Look at that. Beautiful Florida bass, man. Oh my gosh, these hooks got him good. Yes, sir. Let's put them on a scale. 3.8, guys. 3.8 on the scale. You can see that, 3.8. An almost 4-pounder. Oh yeah, that's one of the craziest eats I've had out here. This is my first bass out here in these Florida backwaters. And dude, he destroyed that. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's get a release on her. There she goes. There she goes. Alright, that was a nice fish, guys. I mean, destroyed that. Oh my goodness. I got 2 hours back. It's a gar, bro. I don't want a stinky gar, bro. I want a stinky snook. I want a stinky snook and a stinky bass. No stinky gar. For anyone wondering, I do run 80-pound leader, and I am tying a loop knot. I like the loop knot. It gives my bait more action, more freedom. I'm throwing on that boss all day. This feels so heavy. Oh my. Look at that fish, dude. This thing just has such a wide glide. Not such a wide glide, it's like a medium glide. But look how it hangs there, dude. I've got to get a fish to eat, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me? Bro, are you joking, bro? Are you joking? Are you joking right now? Oh my gosh, another bass. Oh my goodness. Oh no, bro, I should just flip him in the boat. I want it to eat like at my feet, bro. That'd be so sick for the video. Just like right here, it's like, whoa! Just like eat it. That'd be insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. First fish of the morning on the Henry Barber Vision Shad, painted by Boogies Baits. Let's go, dude. He came up and annihilated that. As soon as, oh no. I think I can just rip that off. Yeah, there you go. As soon as I told my dad, he just caught the first fish too. I guess the bite's turning it on. All right, let's go. First bass of the morning. Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! No, he hit it right there. Oh my god. Let's see if he'll come back for it. No. Oh, he didn't seem big. I still want to catch him though. Hit it on this line right here. Ah, damn it. Yes, yes, yes. No! Ah! I knew he'd come back for it too, bro. I just tried to flip him like immediately. Ah. That's what I get, dude. I need to get a swimbait rod for freshwater, guys. This rod is way too, like, this is way OD, bro. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yes, 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 yes. Another one, guys. This is about almost the exact same size. This is a little bit smaller, but almost the exact same size as the last one. We're killing it out here with this bait. Guys, I'm sorry if I sound horrible. I was very sick. I'm on the last half of it now. Let's go, guys. On the Henry Barber Vision Shad, boy. That's what I use. Oh yeah, she's ready to go. Oh. Oh, 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 and she's off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. He came and ate that twice. Oh my God. No, 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 bro, no. Oh my God. Oh my God, what? Oh, what the heck? That spooked me so bad. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God. 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 Oh my God, it's a decent fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please, please, please. Please, no, no, no. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. That's a good fish. He ate that Baldwin Baits 6-inch swim bait on that white color. Oh my goodness. Let's go. All right, guys, we're out here. Just caught that. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm about to put a measure on her, but look at that fish. Ate that 6-inch Baldwin Baits swim bait. Let's go. 4 pounds, 10 ounces. Just a little 4-pounder. Let's go. Make sure she swims off strong. Oh yeah, there she goes. Guys, I caught her over there. I literally sprinted as fast as I could all the way around. Of course, giving her some water on the way there as well. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, he destroyed that. Oh my God. Dude, he came out the water for that basically. Oh my God, Jesus. Come up here. Oh my God. Nice little 2-pounder. Dude, these guys have such beautiful coloration. Like, oh my goodness. Look at that pattern. Let's go, dude. Dude. You scared me. Nice little 2-pounder. What you doing? You better get going, bro. I ain't got nothing for you. Go ahead. What, bro? If I take one step, yeah, be scared. Go ahead.
All right, guys, before we end the video, real quick, I want to talk about Baldwin Baits. Baldwin Baits is a company, it's a young kid. I believe he's 16 or 17 years old, and he loves to make soft plastic baits, including this 6-inch swim bait. In the video, you saw me catch a 4-pounder. In my last video, you saw at the end, I lost a pretty good snook on one too. So, yeah, Baldwin Baits. You guys should go check him out. He just dropped this 3.75-inch swim bait, a 4-inch swim bait, and I'm gonna be using them in Miami this weekend. They haven't gotten here yet. They get here tomorrow, which I'm very excited for. But yeah, Baldwin Baits, guys. Check them out.